Hello friends, my name is Shikhar Verma and today I have a message to all my YouTube subscriber. So friends, if you want to start your career as a Linux server admin with some automation skills and learn from IT professionals with live environment sessions, then I have a ready-made course modules available at different online sites like udemy.com, Skillshare, etc. So friends, I have almost around 600 courses or lectures that is available on different sites. So let's discuss what all the course modules I have for you. If you are looking for Red Hat certification, then I have the complete course modules for RSC certification. For RSC certification, we have 3 course books. The first one is your RH124, and that is also called Red Hat System Administration Part 1. And there is second book, that is Red Hat System Administration Part 2, and that is also called RH134. And the third book for the certification is your Red Hat System Administration Part 3, and that is also called RS254. So there are 3 books which has been prescribed by Red Hat. If you want to go for the certification, you have to learn these 3 books. I have created a separate course module for each book, and you can see in the PPT I have also given the link for that with discounted coupon as well. If you want to enroll into that respective course, you can just click on the link and click on have coupon and give that coupon. You can get a discount and can enroll into this course. If you'll see, I have other course module as well, and each course module that would be somewhere around 90 lectures, somewhere in 80 lectures and 60 lectures in each course module. So that would be somewhere around more than 200 lectures you will get for this complete course module. I have another course module that is for Linux administration with advanced troubleshooting skills, which is having almost 180 lectures, and this course is very demanding. Almost I have seen that more than 2000 students is already enrolled into this course module. This course module is basically for the system admin who is already working on or who is starting their career as a Linux admin. They can enroll into this course and learn different skills about Linux administration. I have covered almost all the topics right from very basic to advanced level. And this is one more course module and very important, that is Linux performance monitoring analysis. This is basically if you are working for Linux admin, so many times you have to encounter with the different outages like SRT is going on with any specific server. So you have to find out like where is the exact issue. Is that any high CPU utilization, high memory utilization, and disk utilization, and different issues we have on the servers. So this course module is designed and keep in mind that what sort of the things you have to take care when any performance issue is going on any server. So this course module is having somewhere around 40 lectures, so you can enroll into, and you will come to know that if any server issue is going on, then what are the different steps we have to use, or different tools which can be used to monitor and analyze the server. There is one more course I have for this automation with Ansible based on Red Hat training, and this is a very important, and today's demand is that with Linux you should have some knowledge of automation as well. If you are applying yourself for any job, they are asking for any automation skills. So I have designed this course module in which you will come to know what is the basic of Ansible and how you can explore the Ansible. Learning Ansible is not a big task. The big task is that how to explore the things. So in this course module you will come to know that how we are exploring the Ansible. So I have started with very basic idea about Ansible, what is Ansible all about, why we need Ansible in any organization, and then I have shown a lot of lab session on that. And I was working on any organization where I have to work on automation with Ansible. I have to explore a lot of new things with Ansible. So I have included all those things in this course module. So you will get a real exposure of Ansible, how we can use Ansible in any environment to automate your environment. In any environment we have seen that there are a lot of tasks, there are a lot of things which we are usually doing it manually. So you can just see how we can automate those tasks with the help of Ansible. So friends, you can see that I have these main course modules which you can enroll and gain knowledge, and I have already given the link of each courses with the discounted coupon. Although I have other course module as well, like basic of shell scripting, Apache web server, and how to create an automation tool using Ansible with shell scripting, small course modules I have already. So you just go to the udemy.com and you can search with my name. Let me show you. So I'm just logging into my udemy.com. So you can see that I have just logging to udemy.com. Here you can search with my name, Shikhar Verma. If you'll type simple Shikhar Verma, you will get all my courses here. Now you can see that this is my course, Linux Administration with Advanced Troubleshooting Skills. If you'll click on that, you can see here 179 lectures are there, and you can see that almost 1979 students are already enrolled into this. In the description you can see that what are the course contents I have covered in that. It started with very basic Linux history and introduction about that, Linux commands and bash variables, user administration, permissions, cron tab, find command, open SSH, telnet, process management, kernel modules, disk partitioning, LVM, that's important topic, RPM, YUM, Linux OS minor upgrade, how you can upgrade your OS from 7.1 to 7.2, FTP, Apache Web Server Administration, DNS, NFS, automating environment using Kickstart, HBA, networking concepts in RHEL7, Linux performance monitoring, performance, troubleshooting, that is the most important part I have included in this complete course module. Troubleshooting Linux boot problems in RHEL5 and 7, basic idea about RHEL7, how RHEL7 is different from previous version of Linux. So I have included all those things, and what are new features of RHEL7, this is also included here, KDump, and also included this Red Hat Satellite 6.2, managing SC Linux. So all these things I have included in this complete single course module. So this is a very demanding course module. If you'll go to this course module, you will see a lot of students have already enrolled. Apart from that, if you are looking for certification of RSC, I have a 3 course module. You can see that Red Hat System Administration Part 1, and in that you can see 90 lectures are there. It's a 10 hours course module. The second part is your Red Hat System Administration Part 3, and the third part is this one. You can see hot and new, which I have launched very soon. In this we have 54 lectures and many more lectures that are in pipeline and will be introduced very soon. So these are the basics, these are the main course modules. Apart from that, you can enroll into this course module as well, Linux performance monitoring analysis. So this is also if you are looking some administrative part, some troubleshooting part, then you can look for this course module. And the important course module is this one, that is Ansible automation based on Red Hat training. So this is one of the good course module. Let me show you the content of that so that you will understand what you are going to learn from this complete course module. Here you can see the introduction, the preview of automation, everything is there. Ansible control node, understanding of and customizing Ansible configuration, Ansible installation, running ad hoc commands, implementing playbooks, modules, implementing multitask. And here you can see that I have included basic things about Ansible roles, industrial project, this is important, automate user administration, industrial project, stop and start control amp. So these are the projects which I have actually worked. So I have included those projects into this complete course module so that you can explore Ansible. Industrial live overview of automating using tool like Ansible, shell scripting, industrial project patching as well. You can do the patching as well. So all these things I have tried to include in this complete course module. So if you are going to enroll into automating Ansible course module, believe me, you are going to learn a lot of new things. Apart from that, I have also a few more course modules which I have not included in my PPT, but if you want to enroll, you can enroll like this, like Linux command tutorials with examples. This is an important course module, Linux technical interview question and answer with practical session. If you are applying for Linux job, so what are the technical questions and how the interview will going to ask you, what sort of the questions they can ask you, and how you are going to perform. So these are the things we have discussed in that complete course module, in which we have 43 lectures, 5 hours. So you can enroll into this. Basic of shell scripting also. This is what I have included here, create automation tool. I was working in my organization, I have to create a one tool. So what I have done, I have picked what all the tasks which we are usually doing manually, and those tasks I have clubbed and created this automation tool using Ansible and shell scripting. So if you want to learn this, so you should have the basic knowledge of Ansible and shell scripting, then only you can enroll this course module. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand. One more course module I have, this learning Apache Web Server. Okay, so this is the idea about your Apache web server, how we can install Apache web server and different features about Apache. So that's all for this course module, about all my course modules, online course module. So these course modules mostly I have in udemy.com, and few course modules I have in Skillshare as well. So either you can enroll from udemy.com and Skillshare as well. So friend, that's all for this. Hope you are going to enroll into my courses. And anytime if you have any confusion and anything, you can drop a message to me. And in the Udemy, if you are logging through Udemy, so there is a question answer forum as well, so you can put your question there as well. So that's all. Thanks. Bye bye. And one more thing I just want to tell you, whenever you want to enroll into the course, please use my discounted coupon. Here in the PPT you can see that. I will also attach this PPT with this lecture. So friends, you can see the different coupons I have included here, like Red Hat Allen X99. So like this, for different coupons I have included here. So that's all. Thanks.